Setting the microphones up. Maraming salamat once again to Arena Plus, Digi Plus for the never-ending support. Grabe, narinig nyo naman, no? Simulat sa pool, nandyan na sila na nakasuporta kay Kaloy. Hindi pa man nag-Olympics si Kaloy, meron ng Arena Plus na nakakita ng special spark kay Carlos. So thank you so much for this. Of course, we are now opening the floor for our friends from the media to direct their questions towards Ms. Cynthia Carrion and Carlos Yulo. All right.
We have a request from GMA TV. We have a representative from GMA TV here for a question.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon, Carlos. Congratulations for the win. Thank you. I'm EJ Gomez po from GMA Integrated News. And of course, good afternoon, Ms. Cynthia. We just want to get updates. I know na sobrang overwhelmed ka pa sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, no? But as we cover this press conference, we want to get to the details, updates on the plans on your next competition, like the World Championships and then the SEA Games, where you'll be, well, we're not sure, but it's possible that you'll be competing with your younger brother, no, si Eldrew. What's the plan po as of now? And Carlos, any tips for your younger brother if in case, you know, makakasama mo nga siya sa competitions?
Hello po. Right now po, hindi pa po ako nakagawa ng mga plano at all kasi punong-puno rin po yung schedule. Hindi ko po expected talaga na ganito yung mangyayari. Pero pag kumalma na po lahat, gusto ko rin po mag-take ng time po magpahinga. And syempre, planuhin ng maayos kung saan ako sasaling mga competitions para makapag-prepare po ako ng maayos and healthy. Sa SEA Games po, yes po, maglalaro po ako sa SEA Games. And yung kapatid ko po, hindi pa po siya makakalaro this time kasi yes po, 16 pa lang po siya. Ang senior level po is 18 po kasi. Yes, tips pa rin po kahit di ko po siya makakalaro. Yeah, tuloy-tuloy lang po. Alam ko naman po na may pangarap din siya sa buhay at malaki yung potential ng kapatid ko po na manalo din po. Nakasuporta po ako sa kanila and pinagpe-pray ko na sana healthy at nasa mabuting kalagayan po sila.
I just want to get that firm statement pa, no? Yes. So, what's something that you would want to tell your younger brother Eldrew in terms of, syempre sa gymnastics din siya? What's something that he can get from a double gold medalist sa Olympics like you?
Siguro po, sa experience po talaga niya makukuha yung mga sagot niya. Although meron akong mga tips sa kanya, pero feeling ko iba yung path namin dalawa. And kahit parehas man ng goal, feeling ko iba pa rin yung magiging experience niya sa na-experience ko. So like, magpakatatag lang siya and just go for it. Like, mag-enjoy sa mga training kasi sobrang hirap po talaga mag-prepare and sobrang hirap din manalo. Hindi po talaga madaling proseso yung gusto niyang lahahakin and ganun din po sa nangyari sa akin. And I'm really grateful na hindi ako bumitaw and nagtuloy-tuloy po ako.
Just one more, maybe you can also add something, Ms. Cynthia. Because you mentioned before, Carlos, with an exclusive interview with GMA Integrated News, that you have plans then to conduct training camps for gymnasts. Kumusta po yung plano on that? We just want to recall that plan.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for that very nice question. Gymnastics Association of the Philippines has big plans for gymnastics. We have want to go to the LA 2028 Olympics with a team, and he will be leading the team. Of course, the team is composed of 4 athletes and 1 reserve. So we really have to train these other 3 so that we can win as a team. And he wants to win the gold medal for all around. When he says all around, that means the 6 apparatus, and that's very, very difficult. So he'll be training very hard. I just pray that he doesn't get injured, because once you get injured, it's very difficult. So that's our prayer, that he doesn't get injured. And we have big plans. We're going to get a lot of coaches from other places, and we're going to be sending him to training camps all over, wherever it's like England and Korea and Japan and all those places. And that's when they get more experience. So your money will go a long way, sir. The money. Thank you.
We have additional questions from Manila Standard. Where's our friend from Manila Standard? I think we have it here.
Hello, I'm Peter Atencio from Manila Standard. Hello, Kaloy, kumusta na? Since you were 12, you've been competing, winning medals for the first time. May bala ka bang bumisita ulit sa kaming palaro pamasa sa Ilocos Norte para ma-inspire yung mga nag-gymnast sa palaro pambansa soon? Para yun, makita mo sila yung kung saan ka nagmula, gano'n. Yung mga batang new generation na gymnast.
Mas okay po siguro kung mag-visit po sila dito po. I want to din po kasi share knowledge po. Mas maganda kung dito po gaganapin siguro kasi may mas equipment dito sa Manila po. And mas exciting po kung makakasabay ko po sila mag-training po.
Pupunta ka sa Paris next week, yun, dala mo yung parang kasama mo si Ernie Gawilan na i-represent the Philippines sa mga celebrations. Your thoughts on going to Paris again?
Of course po, I'm very excited po. May konting vacation na mangyayari po sa akin. So, very happy and very blessed po. And syempre, makakapanood po ako ng Paralympics. First time ko po makakapanood po ng ganong event po. So, super excited and nilulook forward ko po na makita yung ibang teammates po.
Thank you so much. I think you have a question here from Rappler.
Good afternoon po. This is Philip Patel from Rappler. Miss Cynthia, good afternoon po and Kaloy, congratulations. Sabi niyo po nung last Arena Plus press ko nung he was introduced as brand ambassador, you assured, parang you gave the assurance that Kaloy would win at least 2 gold medals and he delivered on it. Ano pong masabi po ng GAP about this achievement for him?
Well, I'm so happy that my vision came true. I thought he will win 3 because when I made Tawad, 2 na lang. But I was hoping for 3 because his parallel bar is beautiful. It's really, if he was in the finals of the parallel bar, he would have at least got silver there. So, but I'm happy with even 1. So I congratulate him. We worked so hard, and I hope you know, but he has gone through a lot of challenges. We had to go a lot of challenges, and we were able to overcome all these challenges and get to the end of my golden hero. Thank you, Kaloy.
Question lang, additional for Kaloy. Kasi may napanood akong documentary kahapon yung talking about your lead up to the Olympics, yung comparing to from Tokyo to Paris, marami kang napagdaan ng pagpapatibay ba ng isip, yung mental state. Ano masabi mo na pagdaan mo and na triumph mo yung over lahat para makuha itong 2 gold medal?
Worth it po lahat ng mga challenges na binigay sa akin ng Lord, and super grateful po ako na binigyan niya ako ng ganong opportunity na ma-challenge din yung sarili ko at syempre maalagaan yung mental health din yung sarili ko. Nagpapasalamat din ako kay Lord talaga po na binigyan niya ako ng mga taong magmamahal sa akin at susuportahan ako sa mga ganong events sa buhay ko. Kaya sobrang worth it po talaga na napagdaanan ko yun. Hindi ako sumuko. At masaya akong ginagawa yung sport ko. And na-enjoy ko talaga yung moments sa Paris and syempre yung pagkapanalo po talaga. Nag-backtrack po talaga lahat sa akin ng mga difficulties po na nangyari sa akin. And sobrang saya po ng feeling ko kasi na-overcome ko po lahat. And sobrang kontento po ako sa kung ano yung na-achieve ko and sobrang grateful po talaga. Maraming salamat po.
May I add to this? In Tokyo, you know, it was his first time, and mentally, you have to be very, very strong mentally, because a strong mind carries a weak body. So now we really made sure that his mind was emotionally and mentally strong as well as physically strong to complete all of that. Thank you.